What do you think is going to, this ties quite into placement strategy, but what do you think is going to happen over the next few years with some of the niche industries? And I'm thinking particularly around scaffolders, construction, or any of the industries that you think potentially there's a high risk industry and the hardening of market. What do you think is going to happen there, and how do you see your role as an MGA in that, sort of bridging that gap or supporting brokers?
I think there's going to be some industries that are certainly the impact of COVID. It's going to be a tough time. You know, what's going to happen with the high street? Everybody's just switched over to clicking a button and buying from Amazon and having it delivered same day. So I'm not sure what the high street's going to look like, but it's not going to look like what it is today, and that's been changing. So I think some of the traditional high street retailers will need to rethink their businesses and maybe move out of the high street into more online operations. I think SMEs are resilient. They find ways of doing business, and being a insurance provider for small businesses, I take a lot of comfort that I think our brokers' clients will find ways to continue. But certainly with construction, you know, we do a lot of that. We're seeing people are downgrading their expectations in terms of wage rolls and turnovers. But I'm hoping that's going to be a short-term thing, and once the world opens up again, they'll get back to it. But I think the main one where we need to really think about what they're going to do is the leisure industry, because obviously that's really been impacted with COVID, and we're seeing businesses unfortunately go out of stop trading and whatnot. So generally, I think SMEs will be resilient, but there will unfortunately be some businesses that don't survive. At the same time, there's a lot of entrepreneurs out there that will either change their business or find opportunity.